Today's video is a sad video for me because I'm going to be cutting my natural hair. These are the mini braids I did on my hair, but my hair got severely damaged and I'm going to cut it.
Hello sisters, welcome back to the channel. It's Miss Sunny and today we are going to be talking about mini braids. So I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw one of the most famous hair influencers here on the platform talking about how she lost all her hair due to mini braids. You are going to be watching that video and I'm also going to be showing you the video of another sister who used mini braids to grow out her hair. And at the end of the video, we are going to be giving our final verdict whether we are going to maintain doing mini braids for hair growth or it's going to be cancelled. So without further much ado, let's just get right into the video. So this is the video I was talking about of the big YouTuber that literally lost all her hair to mini braids.
Today's video is a sad video for me because I'm going to be cutting my natural hair. As you can see, this is my hair. This is about 2 months ago. My hair was really thick and super healthy and I decided to do mini braids. These are the mini braids I did on my hair, and guys, I washed my hair weekly, which I think is the biggest mistake I made. But my hair got severely damaged and I'm going to cut it. Usually I do jumbo braids on my hair, but because of the hype about mini braids, I decided to give it a try.
And that is it. If you've been on social media for a while now, you know that it's true. There's been a big hype about how mini braids helps go out the hair. So I think that's what possibly influenced her to go on the mini braid journey.
I don't know, but I think you are not supposed to wash your hair weekly or bi-weekly when you have mini braids on. That got my hair, I don't know, my hair was breaking, shedding when I took down that mini braids, and it lasted for just 6 weeks.
And another thing she mentioned was she kept the style in for 6 weeks. For some people, 6 weeks might be too long for your hair to handle. So if you know that you do long-term protective styles like 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and you're experiencing too much breaking, that means 6 weeks is probably not for your hair. You do the thing, you learn from it. When you get a positive feedback, you continue. When you get a negative feedback, you stop. You do your hair for 6 weeks, you do a protective style for 6 weeks. After the 6 weeks, you have to take your hair out. There are a lot of knots, a lot of tangles, a lot of breakage. It means 6 weeks is not for you. Just stick to 4 weeks or 5 weeks. When you do the 5 weeks and it's still breakage, come to 4 weeks. 4 weeks is also a good amount of time. Me, I protective style 4 weeks. By the 5th week, it's out.
I'm sad because I've been taking good care of my hair. After postpartum shedding, my hair fall out a lot, but I managed to, take care of my hair, go back my edges. As you can see, my edges are really full and super healthy. But because of that mini braids, guys, my hair got damaged and it's like I'm starting my natural hair journey all over again. I have really put a lot of effort and a lot of money buying conditioners, making DIYs, only for a mini braids protective hairstyle to damage my hair. I am so angry about the whole thing.
I think we've gotten the gist of it. She's been taking care of her natural hair for a while now. And she just decided to do mini braids because of the hype, and she got really bad results from it. Now, let me show you the opposite video I'm talking about of the lady that does mini braids and the hair is long at her back. Okay, let me know what you think, because I find it so fascinating that two people who take care of their hair will do the same thing and get different results.
I used to think mini tips were the key. They are cute, quick, and easy to do. But anytime I moisturize or do anything to my hair, it will mat up so bad. Then I started trying mini braids, and honestly, it changed everything. I could wash my hair, do tea rings, moisturize, and oil my scalp without worrying about tangles or breakage. It's low maintenance, lasts longer, and actually helps me to retain length.
What did she say? It's low maintenance, lasts longer, and helps her retain length, also go out her natural hair. So now, seeing these two videos, where is the issue now? Because this lady that has positive results says she does her tea rinses in the braids, she washes her hair in the braids, but she seems to get results. The first lady we saw said she also washes her hair in the braids. She ended up having a lot of knots and she had to cut her hair. So now, let me know what you think about this in the comments. For my personal, before I get on to how I feel about it, let me know. Are you a mini braids girly? Do you do mini braids? Have you gotten positive results or negative results from it? Let me know in the comments. For me, When all the hype started coming about mini braids, I really wanted to try it. As it just came into my mind that who will take out this hairstyle? Do I really have the patience to sit and take out the hairstyle? Because as you wash your hair in mini braids, the braids become tighter. So when you're taking it out, you have to be extra careful so you do not get frustrated. As soon as frustration sets in, you are going to rush the process and you're going to get a lot of breakage. So for me, yes, it might give positive results, but it depends on the person. If you're a person who is very patient, you can take time, take out each mini braid, work out the tangles one by one, then mini braids is for you. But if you're not that type, like you don't have time, if you're not that type that has too much patience for your hair, then I don't think mini braids are for you. Maybe jumbo braids, jumbo twists like that, or medium-sized braids, medium-sized twists can be for you. But mini braids, it takes a lot of patience to put them in, and it takes more patience to take them out if we want to really see results from them. So I think that's my verdict on it. Am I going to do mini braids? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure I'm going to do mini braids because I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it. But are you a mini braids girly? Let me know in the comments. Share your thoughts about your braids journey in the comments. And I think that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. It's me, Selim. Until the next video.